Karim Moore was unemotional in a Detroit courtroom as a judge decided to put him on house arrest before he goes to trial. The 18-year-old faces a lying to police charge in the connection to the death of Oakland County Sheriff Deputy Bradley Reckling, June 23rd.
This kid knew who he was running from, and he knew why he was running because shots were just fired at the police. And so he chose to absent himself from that scene after the sirens activated.
During Wednesday's hearing, the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office showed video of who they say was Moore running to a front porch after Reckling was shot. Prosecutors say Moore was in the car as shots were fired, but lied to investigators hours later. Moore's attorney told the court there is not enough evidence to pin the crime on his client.
What you really have in front of you, Judge, is a squeeze. It's an ambush, utilized type tactic of the system to charge Mr. Moore with something so that they can hold him, because there's no evidence to suggest that he actually killed Deputy Reckling as it relates to the lying to the police specifically. You're talking about an entirely subjective analysis.
This isn't the action of somebody who's trying to get away from people who were doing bad and he had no clue what was going on. This is not somebody who's a victim of circumstance. This is a guy in the thick of it. And this is a guy who's ride or die.
It's been a couple of weeks since Deputy Bradley Reckling lost his life in an ambush shooting while investigating a stolen SUV in Detroit. The 30-year-old husband, father, and Romeo High School graduate leaves behind a wife and 3 young daughters with another baby on the way. Since Reckling's death, we have seen the community embrace his widow and children. As for Karim Moore, the judge denied the prosecution's request to change his bond. Moore will spend house arrest at his mom's house. Brandon Hudson, Fox 2 News.